गया, बस आगे चला गया, जनरेटर पीछे रह गया।
We should just reverse from here.
ओके,
Reverse जा सकता है ना?
हाँ,
यहाँ से
reverse
reverse
जाएगा।
ले लीजिए।
No matter how successful or non-successful a film may be, 80% of the film's success, in my book, is the journey.
Let's go.
इन लम्हों की हर डाली पर खिल गए।
हनीमून ट्रैवल्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से आपको लगता है कि ये फ्रॉथी सी लाइट हैप्पी फिल्म होगी, जो कि ये है।
आंखें आंखों से कहने लगी है एक नई दास्तां।
I'm sure all the mad people will understand. I think the world is full of mad people, and I'm sure they'll all understand the movie.
जाने अब क्या होने को है, हल्के हल्के रंग छलके, जाने अब क्या होने को है।
One thing that it will definitely stand out as is a very, very original film.
जब दिल से दिल मिल गए।
कुछ 7 कपल्स हैं तो हर एक की अपनी अपनी कहानी है।
How different married life can be for different people.
हल्के हल्के रंग छलके, जाने अब क्या होने को है, हल्के हल्के रंग छलके, जाने अब क्या होने को है।
It was, you know, you see a bit of yourself or you see a bit of someone you know.
It was a very trippy, wacky, fun-filled film.
Hold it. Mandy, hold it. Smile.
What a couple, huh?
Wait. Cut. Push it. Hold top is gone up. Then cut it. No. I've cut before that. I was very carried away and all.
Extremely human story. It's a very emotional story, but at the same time, it's got a lot of humor in Rima style.
It's a light-hearted romantic comedy.
You're the Pandit ji. Please give yours.
नहीं टूटेगा नहीं।
All the best, guys. Back to set. Hi, I'm Rima Kakti. I wrote and directed Honeymoon Travels Private Limited. The first 2 characters I had were Aspi and Zara. I mean, it was more like a short film idea that I had about about a couple who were perfect, you know, and they did everything right. And it was pretty much 2.5 years of Chinese torture. I was just looking for producers, so I went everywhere, did everything, you know, met all kinds of people. I had tied up with some other producers also, you know, but that kind of didn't work out. Finally, Farhan and Ritesh, came back and said they would like to do it. And after that it kind of was a smooth run.
First time I heard about Honeymoon Travels Private Limited was when Rima came and met me, and she was interested that I play a part in the film. I heard the script, I liked it very much. She already had some producers who were involved on the project. I don't know exactly what transpired eventually between her and them, but it came to a point where she was back again out there looking for people to produce a film. I had heard the script, I had agreed to do it on some level. I had liked the script very much. That's really how it came about with Excel doing it.
On every film, we as producers obviously get into right from the script level. We talk to the director like we did with Rima and give her certain suggestions which she agreed, keeping in mind that this is something which our producers feel is only going to be for the benefit of the film.
I hope I'm not hurting her feelings by saying that I am surprised at the way that she just slipped into the role of being a director, as if she's been doing it all her life.
Then when am I turning?
On the
You
first
should turn on the first. यूं ही आँखों में आ गए आंसू. They start moving down, they'll get your hands and go. I've been working in the industry, I've met a lot of first-time directors and I was really prepared for hell.
How do you occupy my gate like this?
Going on, we're standing in the corner.
Lead इधर से आता जाता है.
I don't think you should be shooting this.
The fact that Rima has assisted me on Dil Chahta Hai as well as on Laksh was only something that kind of confirmed my belief.
But I mean, honestly, I think I'm blessed. Like it's just happened in the nicest way possible.
It's our show time now. Do you understand that?
इन लम्हों की हर डाली पर खिल गए भूल गई जब
But I was really nervous. I mean, Baman and Shabana are very, very high caliber actors who, So on day one, I was really, really conscious of my inexperience. In that sense. Apart from Baman and Shabana, I mean everybody, whether it's KK or Raima or Amisha, Sandhya, Karan, Minisha, Abhay, Vikram Chakwal, all of them. I mean, I think everybody worked towards, not just being happy with the script level, like, creating something more.
I'm going to walk up here and take out his gun. Like this, and you go diving for her mouth. Up there.
People I wanted my characters to be. All the character sketches, what I was trying to achieve was a kind of a sense of a whole lot of people, many people who are not glorious and doing all kinds of glorious things, but normal people with real issues.
एक हीरो नहीं, एक हीरोइन नहीं. जब वो 10, 12 या 14 एक्टर्स बम्बई से गोवा जाते हैं, एक साथ रहते हैं, तो या तो टोटल केओस और कंफ्यूजन होगा या तो एक मिलजुल के एक बड़ा परिवार बन जाता है.
ज़रा सा क्या कहते हैं अबव ह्यूमन कॉल टाइम्स थे.
बिल्कुल पागल स्केड्यूल था. हम लोग 4:30 बजे उठते थे.
You pass from one location to another, you see tourists all, sunning about.
जाने है वो कहाँ जिसको ढूंढती है नजर.
Literally thrown into mishap situations all the time.
हम 12 कैरेक्टर हमेशा सेट पे पहुंचते थे और धमाल इतनी कड़ी धूप में मार्च और अप्रैल के महीने में.
It was really, really hot. We were cramped up in a bus for a lot of time. The ACs would conk off. The water would be leaking through the AC. It was crazy.
लेकिन उन सब में एक मज़ा था because हम लोग सब लोग साथ में थे.
Literally हम साथ थे.
It was an ensemble film, so for any director, it would be a challenge, and for a first time, I think even more so. But she pulled it off.
The main disconnect that I felt was that you are in Goa. You are supposed to be in Goa. And then there is this very hard place, very hard and a hot place which is concealed inside this Goa.
Hi, I'm Aisha, the production designer / the On Call Forever department. There are a lot of technicalities have gone into actually putting the bus together, other than just the look.
It is nicer on the side.
Travels Private Limited are making a big deal. That's actually for the honeymoon.
The lights right here on top, they're all actually camera lights, so that the bus is lit by these special lights, so no extra lights are being brought in. It's actually a 28-seater bus, but we have taken the liberty of removing a certain number of seats and making it a little more spacious for camera. A special trolley has been made so that the camera woman can sit on it and she can actually slide through this. Nobody has a affinity for pink, but pink just worked out to be the shade, I don't know, Rima's choice was pink, and I thought it was quite bizarre for her to think of a pink, but we actually saw a couple of pink buses on the road, so we kind of got used to the idea that okay, it works.
चार चीज़ें हैं। एक तो हनीमून ट्रैवल्स की जो बस है जिसको आप मिस नहीं कर सकते, वो कहीं भी नज़र आए आपको, पिंक से कलर की। और दूसरा हूँ मैं जो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ, तीसरे हैं ड्राइवर।
I had to learn how to drive a bus, a 4-ton bus, which I had never driven in my life before. तो वो 4 टन की बस चलाते चलाते कैमरा को भी नज़दीक में रखना, फिर लाइट आ रही है ग्लास में से, फिर आगे रास्ता दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, और फिर भी चला रहा हूँ मैं।
चेहरा रहता है इन आँखों में, जिसे मैंने नहीं देखा पर देखा है ख्वाबों में। पाऊंगी कहाँ मैं उसको, ये तो न जानूं, पर
जब रीमा ने मुझे पहली दफ़ा इस फिल्म का कॉन्सेप्ट सुनाया और मुझे अपने कैरेक्टर पिंकी के बारे में बताया, तो मुझे लगा कि मुझे कोई परफॉर्मेंस करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी, क्योंकि इतनी क्यूट कैरेक्टर, इतनी बबली, इतनी वाइवेशियस। पिंक उसका सबसे फेवरेट कलर है, जो रियल लाइफ में भी मेरा है।
कोई प्लान है क्या भागने का?
बोलो ना, क्या करोगे?
तुम्हें क्या लगता है पिंकी?
एटलीस्ट सुसाइड।
Face it, and I've played my character honestly from that angle. Like, I've thought about it as a real person, that what would a real person go through. He's a normal human being, a normal man from Delhi or from North India, from wherever, who's living life normally, but suddenly he was put into it and this problem comes about, and how is he going to deal with it?
Action. बंद करो ना।
देखने दो मुझे प्लीज।
बंद करो।
प्लीज देखने दो पिंकी।
तुम ऐसे भागते हुए आ रहा था और मैं ऐसे भागते हुए आ रही थी।
When the rehearsal started,